Beth, hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Glossybox for May. I cannot believe it's mid-May. Yeah. The theme for this month is Let the Sun Shine, which personally I think is a little bit premature because that's more of a June-July theme in my head. However, the box is beautiful. We haven't had a stylized box in a couple of months, so I'm very excited to see what's inside, and I have not seen very many spoilers. Quick notice, I live in France, so this is the French version, so it may differ slightly from what you get, but let us just dive in. Very cute. I love it when they match all the paper and the details inside. I'm a real sucker for like stationery and things, so very happy there. Okay. Oh wow. We get some really big items this month. Okay, so I've organized it a little bit. I'm gonna take out the thing that I think I saw as a sneak peek, which is this guy. So here we have by the brand Minetan, which we have received before last year. I want to say in the summer as well. We got a tanning mousse. And this is the, I can just read the packaging. Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. First of all, cool packaging, very like early 2000s. I'm happy to get this. As I mentioned, I'm in France, I'm in the south, so it's hot and I get burned, and this is really helpful. But again, it seems like something for June, July, not for May. Although I suppose like it's better to have it in advance. Doesn't really smell of anything. The packaging is cool. If I am doing most of my body to cover this won't last very long, but that being said, awesome, cool. It's really unique packaging, I will say. Usually they're very like sleek now and fancy. I like this. This is more fun and a bit more reminiscent of my yesteryears. So this guy is travel size, 50 mils, and worth $14.95. I don't think I'd pay that much for an After Sun Gel, personally. Maybe it will change my life, we'll see. Okay, next I'm gonna take out this guy because I cannot ignore how giant this is. This is a full-size Terre de Mars, Earth of Mars if you want to do the translation, Reddition body cleanser. So this is worth €19 and it's just adapted to all skin types. I've seen this brand, I don't know if it was Glossybox or Birchbox, but we got a little shampoo sample from them that smelled really good. This has coffee extract, verbena, and aloe vera. Cool. Is it weird? I just don't care to get a body wash in a subscription box. I don't know, I'm a little confused by this. It's really, really cool that it's a full-size item, and I guess it's not something that we've just I guess it's not something that we get every time, but I'm just kind of like, I'm really like picky with my body washes, and I'm very scent driven. I'm not sure if I even want to open this because maybe I can gift it to someone. Is that a weird gift to give someone? Body cleanser. Awesome that it's full size, just kind of a bit disappointing. Okay, next I'm gonna take this one because I recognize the brand. So this is by Monuskin. Again, I've gotten this in Glossybox before. I got it in oil and something else by them as well. This is the Soft Focus Technology and Cassia Alata Base Illuminating. That's a long one. So it's an illuminating primer with SPF 15. I've read many times though that if there's SPF less than 30, it's borderline useless. So I don't know if this will do anything for you. Illuminating primer. I feel so awkward with this box. I'm just kind of like, okay. I don't know, it's just not my thing, I guess. This is full sized and it's worth $37.50. I don't know about that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is worth €37.50. I would never. Okay, that's shocking. That's shocking. I don't even know what to say. I'm a little bit speechless on that one. Cool, thanks. I suppose it's nice to get things that you wouldn't normally fork out the money for, but it's a bit awkward. Okay, next I'm gonna take out this guy. This is Asam Magic Finish Makeup. It literally just says makeup. What does that mean? Apply Magic Finish makeup after skincare onto your face until the desired coverage is obtained. Is this a foundation? This is travel size, worth $9.95, and it's a mousse that I guess evens out your skin. Like I'm not kidding, it literally just says makeup. Okay, it really comes out. You know the Dream Matte Mousse from Maybelline back in 2001? It literally feels and looks like that. It's a very So it's deeper than my skin tone, but it kind of blends out, gives a nice little bronzing effect. I imagine in the summer and in the sun, this would look really nice. Never heard of this brand. Okay, I'm intrigued by this. I will say I'm very intrigued by this. I like the texture. Cool. And last, we do have another makeup item. Thank you. This is by Lottie London, and it's a power foil metallic eyeshadow. Golden Hour. And I'm kind of trying to look at the color. This is that situation where I like this, but I'm not sure I personally need it. And perhaps I'd rather give it as a gift, so I don't really want to open it. Yeah, I'm just looking it up and I see the color. I'll put it, oh, you can't see anything there because it's asking me to subscribe. You can kind of see it there. I'll put the picture up on the screen. That is beautiful, but I have something similar. So I think I'm gonna do what's right and not open it and leave it as a gift to someone who would probably find more use from it than me. There just comes a point, you know, like I get these subscriptions every month. I have a crap ton of makeup. It would be selfish of me to just put my finger in it to do one swatch and then never really use it again. So I'm gonna make the call. All right, I feel like this is a quick video this month. What are my final thoughts? I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this box. I don't care for it. I'm really bummed, as I mentioned, it's my birthday month, so I was really hoping for something extra special and fun. And it's not necessarily that the products are bad, they're just really not up my alley, not things I'm looking for, and that's the gamble you have to take with a lot of these boxes. The thing I'm most excited for is the Asam Beauty makeup with the mousse texture. I feel like that'll be really, really nice in the summer. It's not huge, so I can use it up without feeling guilty. This is really nice. I'm sure it's great. It has some nice reviews online, but I'll give it as a gift. But it's nice to get a makeup item, and I think the color is very well suited for the transition of spring to summer, which May usually is. Cool packaging. I will say that. Just doesn't really have a smell, which might be for the best. I think it's a nice one to pop, especially if you're just doing a quick day at the beach, just in case. Don't have to carry a big one. I like the brand. Okay, this is ridiculously overpriced in my opinion. That being said, I haven't tried it on my face, and I will, and I'll see, but Monuskin is a brand, I know of it, but in my head, if I'm paying almost 40 euro for a primer, that's gonna be something, you know, like from Sephora or, I don't know, some higher end brand than Monuskin, no offense. And this one, really cool that we got a full-size big product. I just don't know, I just don't care. I just don't care for it. So yeah, I don't know, it's one of those boxes where I'm not sad. Like the value of the box is really high. It's really worth what I paid for it, but it's probably a month where, had I known that these would be the products and I had the choice, I would have skipped. If I'm being quite honest, I'm just kind of like, so a bit of a bummer if I'm being honest, but the box is beautiful. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. I know it was slightly different than usual because there's a couple products where I just was like, no thank you. But like I said, that happens. I'm really trying to focus on using up what I have and being smart about the choices I make with what I keep, what I don't keep, even at this point where, you know, I'm a very, very small YouTuber and only get a few subscriptions. I still already have an overwhelming amount of products, so I think it's just wiser that right away I'm like, okay, I know I won't be using this, so let's gift it. I feel like the last couple of months Glossybox has lost a little bit of magic for me. It was something that I really, really looked forward to very much every month, and maybe I'm just over it, I don't know, or getting to that point, but I'm a little bit like, If you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm new and growing and I would love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic. And I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!